A particle is moving eastward with a velocity of 5 meter per second. In 10 seconds, the velocity changes to 5 meter per second northwards. The average acceleration in this time is, options are given 0, 1 by root 2 meter per second square towards northeast, 1 by root 2 meter per second square towards northwest, 1 by 2 meter per second square towards north. This is a question from JEE 1982. Look here. First of all, let us draw the directions. See, you know the directions north, south, east, west. This is north, this is south, this is east and west. Okay. Initially, the body is moving towards, you can say clearly given that 5 meter per second eastwards. That means the body is moving initially in this direction. Now, after 10 seconds, the body is changing the direction to north. Again, same velocity. So, this is the new direction. So, we have to find out acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but V final minus V initial divided by time. Here average acceleration we are finding out, not instantaneous value. V final minus V initial divided by total time. You know, here 10 seconds we are taking, the average acceleration we are finding out. So, we have to find out V final minus V initial. So, you can easily find out using some simple vector algebra. Let us draw the vector formula, vector diagram. See, assume that the initial velocity is in this direction. So, this is Vi and final velocity is in this direction. So, this is final velocity, okay, final velocity. So, how much is this? We can write down like this is 5, how much is the velocity given in the problem? 5 meter per second. So, we can always say that this is in the positive x direction. We can say 5 I cap meter per second we can say. This is in the positive y direction. This is positive x, this is positive y direction. So, we can say this is 5 j cap meter per second. Fine. This is V final actually. This is V initial. Which quantity we need? V final minus V initial we need. How to do this vector subtraction? So, we can do one thing. See, we can write down the vector, we can draw the vector V minus Vi in this direction, right? Look here, listen very carefully. It's a very good question actually. See here, the final velocity is again in this direction. But I am going to draw minus Vi vector in this direction. This is minus Vi, minus V initial. This is V final, okay. Now, I am going to shift this vector to this side, okay. I am going to shift this vector to this side. Look here, when I am shifting, I will get the Vi here. So, this is minus Vi. We have to apply triangular rule. See, if Vf, if you are adding with minus Vi, you will get resultant in this direction. See, this way you will get resultant vector, triangular law of vector addition. So, assume this is V resultant. So, V resultant is equal to, okay, is equal to V final plus minus of V initial. This is what you have to get, you have to calculate. So, basically V resultant is in this direction. That is the main point we are trying to find out. Now, we know the magnitudes. What is the magnitude here? This is 5 meter per second. This is also 5 meter per second. See, if both are 5, how to find out resultant? Under root of 5 square plus 5 square. Okay. So, how much will come? See, we can say the direction is first of all, this is north and this is west. Direction is northwest. Acceleration direction is northwest and the magnitude we can find out. Acceleration is equal to 5 j cap minus 5 I cap divided by time. Okay. So, we will get 5 by 10 or 1 by 2 I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap. Okay. So, acceleration is equal to 1 by 2 I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap. What is the magnitude? Magnitude is going to be equal to, so under root of 1 by 4, 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 whole square. See how much will come? This is going to be equal to 2 by 4 or under root 1 by 2, or acceleration is going to be equal to 1 by root 2 meter per second square. This is the value of magnitude, and direction is along the northwest direction. So let us go to the answer. See, 1 by root 2 northwest. The right answer is option 3. 1 by root 2 meter per second square towards northwest direction.